Yeah, I keep coming out here the last few hours, and about every hour or so it was sleeting and kind of snowing a little bit so hard earlier. Enough of that rain. Let's see how this thing starts up. I bought this Echo when I lived in Cary back in 2010, I believe. Still does great. Some 20-degree weather right there, folks. It's the first time I'm opening it up. It's 20 degrees outside, it's 50 degrees in here. So that little heater, I've got a tarp over top, but everything's doing just great. I'm really excited. And the power should not go out today. We'll keep our fingers crossed. Everything's doing great. All right, what did I do with some of the plants that I was afraid if the power went out? Well, I brought them indoors, put a tarp down, got some of my little hydrangea seedlings right there. That's my Norfolk Island pine. And these are all the ones that were starting new growth, and I was worried about the roots if it did freeze if the power went out. In the utility room, I've got all the gardenias and stuff I had out in the garden except for a few.